How to fix HVCI enabled error on Valorant. First things first, we will not be doing a step-by-step guide or a troubleshooting step directly from the Valorant application, but we just need to tweak some of the settings that we have from our Windows operating system. So the very first thing that you want to do is, of course, to enable HVCI via memory integrity. So for you to be able to do so, just head straight into your Windows icon and simply type in device security. Now, it may not be available for you because it is actually depending on how you set up your operating system BIOS. Now, for you to be able to set up it properly, all you have to do is to check out the specific name and brand or the model number of your motherboard by going into the Windows icon again and going into the system information. Once you have that, just simply search it via Google or any available browser that you can use on your end, and just simply follow those specific steps on a different topic. And that is how you turn on or you fix HVCI enabled error in Valorant.